Alright, today I'm going to be taking off the engine cover of my 2007 Volkswagen Rabbit. It's the 2.5 5-cylinder engine. Taking this off is how you get to your spark plugs, air filter, clutch pedal, all that stuff. So let's jump into it. First thing you're going to need is a Torx T20. You can see that on there, the 20. That's the star bit. You're also going to need a large pair of pliers. I also grab a bowl, put my screws in. First thing, we got this here. We got this Torx on this side, and then we got another one on this side. So we'll start with this. Take that. Boom! Don't want to lose that in the engine bay. And I started this one already, but that's what that looks like. Ooh, that goes there. Next thing we're gonna do is get this sensor here, and this has to tilt up and then squeeze this guy down. Boom. That guy comes unclipped. Don't pry up on this. You just squeeze it with your fingers, or you can use a screwdriver to fit into that guy right there. So, but that pops out. Throw that to the side there. Our next one is this guy. Same deal. Squeeze this, and they're in there pretty firm, so you got to wiggle it. And you can use a screwdriver. Just push against here, just like this. I see I broke this one because I pried it. Don't want to do that. You want to press down and wiggle, and the guy pops off, and that's what it looks like. We'll set that on there. Our next thing is we're going to grab our big pair of pliers, latch onto this guy, and squeeze it all the way open. You got to get a good grab on here. See? Squeeze it all the way, otherwise you won't get it. And then I slide it just down onto the hose, and that'll allow you to pull this hose off. So, and just how the system works, air gets pulled in through here, goes through all this, and then down into the engine. So that's what you're taking off. And then you slide that down, you see that little lip that it sticks on there. And that's all the stuff you got to disconnect. The next thing is just pull the corner of each side up. You got to give it a little bit of a tug. Boom. And that's it. Then you have to pull it back this way and up. I'll do that next. And then you got to slide it over a little and just pass it through there. And that's it. Ooh. All right, and then the air filter is in here. This is it. This is the engine cover, just removed. Pop this out. I'm gonna do the air filter in the next video. I'll link it to this video so you can see it. And then you can see you got your spark plugs are down in there. You can get if you take your battery out, you can get your clutch. And that's it. Then putting it back on, just line it up with these posts right there. You got 4 of them. One there, one there, one there. Just push firm. And you got to kind of wiggle it in there to get it in there. But other than that, you reconnect to your hose. Make sure you reconnect these guys. And then throw the 2 screws into this. And that's it. That's how you take the engine cover off. Thanks for joining. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, or just subscribe or like. Either way, thanks. Have a good one. Bye.